Welcome to our class, Amma. Next activity 3, find the product. Okay. In last class, you seen a table that is a multiplication tables 2 to 10. Okay. All of you learn children tables. Okay. First of all, you learn tables. You will learn tables. You can do easily this multiplication problems. Otherwise, you can't do. Once again, I will tell. Please children read tables minimum 2 to 10. Okay, Amma? Let's see some examples on the multiplications. Now, tens and ones and tens is 21 into 4. First of all, you multiply by, first you are starting from ones. This 4 into ones, again 4 into tens. Ones and tens coming from ones place. Okay, Amma? Now 4 ones are 4. First you multiply with ones place. In ones place, which number is there? 1. So 4 ones are 4. You start here. Okay. 4 ones are 4. Keep here. Now 4 twos are. Next ones is over. Next you multiply by tens place. In tens place, which number is there? 2. So 4 twos are 8. You don't know 4 table, you can't do this problem. Okay? You know 4 table, you can easily find this problem. Okay, Amma? Now, same. 3 2s are 6. Keep here. Now next. Again 3 2s are 6. You get 66. 22 into 3, you get 66. Okay? Now next one, Amma. 2 4s are 8. Next again 2 4s are 8. Now coming to this, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now next 3 3s are 9. You get 96. Okay. Please children copy. This is writing your class work. Now next, still one more problem is there, Amma. That is only here change. F3. Okay. Now 1 3s are 3. 3 2s are 6. You get 63. Next activity 4. What is today homework, Amma? This activity 3 do in your textbook. Okay. Now page number 44. Look at this. Right here. This is right here. This is your homework, Amma, and post it. Next activity 4. Okay. Okay. We know 2 table children. Once reading 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. You get how much, Amma? 2 6s are 12. In 12, in previous activity, you get only single digit number. Only you get simple 1 digit number. So, you write here. Yes, you keep here. But here, you get 2 numbered means 2-digit number. Here you getting 2-digit numbers. 2 6 are 12. So you getting how much amount? 12. So 12 is the 2-digit number. In 2-digit number, 2 is the ones. Yes. So first you multiply with ones place kada. So 2 is the 1. So this 2 you should write here. This 2 first write here. This is the 1 is the tens place. This tens is carrying over to tens. This 1 is a 10. So this tens is carrying over to tens. Where is the tens place? Here. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Yes. 8. Again here 1 carry is there. Always you adding this carry amma. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. 9. 8 plus 1 you get 9. So what is your answer? 92. Now next one more. 29 into 3. 29 into 3. Now first you are multiplied by ones place. In ones place which number is there? 9. So 9 into 3. 3 nines are. We know 3 table. Read it once. 3 table. Now tell me. 3 nines are 27. In 27 amma, 7 is the ones, 2 is the tens. So this 7 you put in ones place. This 2 is carry over to tens place. This 2 is carry over to tens place. Don't leave this 2. అంటే మీరు వదిలేయకూడదు, దాన్ని left చేయొద్దు. This 2 adding to this one. 3 2 ja 6 kada. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2. After adding you cross it. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2. Don't leave this 2. You adding to. You get tens place multiply chese you get some result kada. You add to that. Okay. Now 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 6 after 2. 6 after 7. 8. You get 9. 8. Yes. You put in tens place. So what is your answer? 87. Now next one more. 1 into 8. Now sorry 18 into 4. Okay children. Now 4 table reach cheyadama. 4 8 ja how much children? Once read it 4 table. Read loudly. 4 8 ja 32. In 32, same as it is, follow that. In 32, 2 is the ones, 3 is the tens. You know that. So this 2 put in ones place. And this 3 is carry over to tens. Okay, Amma? Now, 1 4s are 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 of 2. Add cheyali. This carry you add to this number. You are adding 1 4s are 4 plus 3. 4 of 2. 5, 6, 7. You get 7. After adding, you cross it. You get 72. Now next one more amma. 48 into 5. 48 into 5. Now you multiply first ones. 5, you know 5 table? Read it children. 5 table read cheyandi. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. In 40, a 0 is put here, put in ones place, and 4 is the carry over to tens. Okay, ma. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4. 20 after 4. 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24. You get 24. 240. Your answer is 240. Write it, Amma. Now I will give you some homework problems. You can understand, Amma. You get two digit number. First, for example, you get 2 digit number, Amma. In 2 digit number, ones is put in ones place, tens is carry over to tens place. That is kept in your mind. Don't forget. Okay. Okay children, so what is today homework? Activity 3. Do in your